Tired of your Snapchat snaps looking less than stellar? First things first, let's banish the blur. Your phone's camera lens is the window to your snaps, and it's probably dirtier than you think. Grab a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth Acircumflex Euros. The kind you use for glasses is perfect. Gently wipe your camera lens in a circular motion. Both the front and rear lenses. This simple habit makes a huge difference, instantly clearing up smudges and fingerprints that degrade image quality. Next, let's talk about your environment. Lighting is everything when it comes to photography, even on your phone whenever possible. Try to shoot in well-lit areas. Natural light from a window is your best friend. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can blow out details if you're indoors. Find the brightest spot or consider using an artificial light source, like a ring light or even a desk lamp, positioned to illuminate your subject evenly. Now, let's dive into Snapchat itself. When you're in the camera view, resist the urge to pinch and zoom excessively. Digital zoom, which is what Snapchat uses, just enlarges pixels, leading to a grainy, low-quality image if you need to get closer. Try to physically move your phone nearer to your subject instead of relying on digital zoom. This preserves detail and sharpness in your photos and videos. Also, pay attention to how you're holding your phone. Sometimes a subtle tilt can help avoid reflections or direct glare that washes out your image. Experiment with different angles to see how the light hits your scene. Remember, clear, well-lit shots are the goal. By taking these simple steps, Acircumflex Euros, keeping your lens clean, optimizing your lighting, and being mindful of digital zoom, Acircumflex Euros, you'll see a dramatic improvement in your Snapchat photos and videos. Go ahead, give it a try, and start capturing those clearer, more visually appealing moments.